Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video, I'm super excited because first of all, I've been wanting to get my hands on the Gemstone eyeshadow palettes by Huda Beauty, and I finally got my hands on TOPAZ. They're not cheap. They're not cheap, and that's one of the problems we face here in Nigeria, is that products come out and you can't get your hands on them as quickly as possible. But I do know a place that stocks the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes, and they have quite a couple of them. I did swatch them on my Instagram, and trust me, these bad boys are gorgeous. They're so beautiful. They're beautiful, very pigmented. It comes with about 4 shades of shimmery eyeshadows, and then you have the rest with matte eyeshadows. So that's a good combination for me because you can have shimmery shades, matte shades, create different kind of looks that you want to, and packaging very well made, perfect. So let's get started. I'm going to be doing my full face, so if you're not subscribed to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys soon. I'm just going to prime my skin with the Clarins SOS primer in Coral. For foundation, I'm going in with the Lancome Tint Idol foundation in 10.1. To highlight, I'm going in with the Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. I'm going to brighten underneath my eyes with NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, and this is in Caramel. I'm just going to set underneath my eyes with my Ben 9 powder mixed with Caramel. I'm also going to just take a little bit of that and set my lids. I'm going to dust off the excess. I'm ready for this baby right here. The first shade I'm going to go in with is this yellow, and I'm going to apply that in my crease. So the yellow is a matte eyeshadow, and it's quite light. It doesn't really pick up so well on my dark skin, but it's something that I'm going to try building up to see if the color pops out. It's really powdery, but I haven't experienced any fallouts just yet, so that's a good thing. And it blends really smoothly. I'm going to try to intensify it by packing it on. Next, I'm going in with this orange shade right here, and I'm going to apply that also in my crease. Okay, this picks up a whole lot better than the yellow. Maybe it's just the yellow, not that, yeah, it's just light. This picks up a whole lot better. And it's so easy to blend. It's very easy to blend, very smooth. Very, very smooth. Really love it. I'm going to intensify my crease with this shade right here. One of the things I really like is that the matte shades are very powdery and so easy to blend. Like, you guys won't even understand. Like, you have to do little or nothing just to blend these colors out. So that makes it really, really nice. Like, absolutely nothing, just blend. I'm going to pick up this brown shade. This is like the darkest shade in this palette. I'm going to pick it up on the same brush and use that to intensify the outer corners of my eyes. It's quite light. Maybe it's because of all the colors that I've layered on it. Just a little fallout just right here. So nothing too damaging, so that's fine. I'm just blending out any harsh lines. I'm going to apply some concealer on my lid. I'm first going to go in with this color for my lid. Ooh. You have to be careful when you're picking up the shimmery shades because it might scatter, so you have to be really careful with that. They have this foil-like feeling, so that's nice. So I don't think you need to spray like your brush to just intensify the color. If you pack them on really well, then you'll get that intensity. I'm gonna also go in with this shade right here at the top. This is like a shimmery orange shade. I'm gonna apply that in the inner corners of my eyes. The shimmery shades are quite creamy, and it makes application easy on your lids, but you have to be careful with the placement because it kind of moves. I'm gonna go back with this brown and this dark orange and just mix them together and smoke out the outer corners again. Just blending out any harsh lines. I'm gonna line my eyes with the Maybelline Kajal liner. Taking a detailing brush from Real Techniques, I'm gonna go in with that brown and use that to smoke my lower waterline. I'm gonna take another detailing brush and I'm gonna take this shimmery shade here and apply that in my inner tear duct. For blush, I'm going in with Sleek's blush in Sahara and I'm using my Makeup Designery blush brush to apply it. For my highlighter, I'm going in with my Glow Kit Sun Dipped and I'm picking up the shade Bronzed. I'm gonna line my lips with a brown pencil and this is from Zaron. For my lips, I'm going in with Colourpop Lippy Stick and this is Crack Me Up. I'm gonna finish it with some lip gloss and this is from Zaron in Read My Lips. And I'm just gonna set my face with some NYX Matte Finish. So guys, this is the finished look. I created this look using the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette that I've been wanting to get. This is the most neutral palette out of all the gemstone palettes that she came out with. There are about 5 of them. There's Sapphire, there's Emerald. Yeah, there are like 5 of them with really gorgeous shades in them. This comes with about 4 shades of shimmery eyeshadows, but I did notice that when you dip your brush in the eyeshadow, the shimmery shades, they tend to move, so you might end up ruining your palette, so you have to be really, really careful. One of the things I did notice with the shimmery shades also when placing them on my lids is that you have to be extremely careful because they move a lot, so it's best you just place them and layer on top of them if you want to intensify those colors. The matte shades, I have no complaints about them. They're actually quite pigmented and very powdery, very, very easy to blend. However, availability in Nigeria is quite scarce, but Glam Beauty Jade does stock them because when I was looking for this palette, I actually went on their website and found that they actually stock some of the Obsession palettes. So if you're interested in grabbing any of them, then that would be a good bet for you. And they retail for about 14,500, so they're not cheap as opposed to the US where they are sold for about $27. But this is the palette. I love this look so much. Do let me know what your thoughts are about this palette, and if you've tried any of the Obsession palettes, let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section and let's just talk about this palette, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.